Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the finished Hagley Park Road. This is a new road. It was opened up probably a few years, 2 years. And this is Hagley Park Road. It takes you from Spanish Town Road up to Halfway Tree. And this is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. So it was recently renovated under the major infrastructure development program. And we're driving on Hagley Park Road towards Halfway Tree. As you can see, it was very nicely done. You have the dual carriageway, the concrete barricade, new street lights, nice signage. This is actually a model for which all the main roads in Jamaica, especially Kingston, should look. And the reason why we say Kingston is because the city of Kingston is a larger city in Jamaica. It has a third of Jamaica's population, so that's why it should have a very efficient transport system. Alright, so we're now entering the Halfway Tree area. And Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. Up to 250,000 people pass through Halfway Tree every day. So it is the busiest place in Jamaica. And okay, straight ahead is Hagley Park Road, but it's a one-way, so you can only come down. Turn left, we go on to Eastwood Park Road, and on the right is Maxfield Avenue. However, Maxfield Avenue is also a one-way, so you can't turn right, but that's Maxfield Avenue these cars are coming off of. So this is Eastwood Park Road we're on now. If we turn left, we would go on to Malines Road, and Malines Road takes us down to Washington Boulevard. Go straight, we take Eastwood Park Road up to the intersection of Red Hills Road, and eventually we would go on to Constant Spring Road. But we're going to turn right here and head up to Hope Road. So we're going through the Halfway Tree area now. On the left is the Halfway Tree Transport Center. On the right is a taxi park. So if we were to turn right here, we'd go back down to the halfway tree town center, basically, where the clock is, but we're turning left and taking Hope Road up to Ligony. And you see how these cars just stop in the road. I don't even think his brake lights are working because there's no light on that car. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.